Effective ways to save money for the future. All of us know that we need to save money for future needs. This could be for buying a house, for the education of children, for retirement, and so on. These 10 effective ways will help you to save money for the future. Number 1. Make a budget. The first thing you need to do is have a budget and stick to it. This includes being realistic about your household financial situation and setting honest and attainable numbers corresponding to your spending so that you can save. Saying you will save and thinking about savings is not enough. You will have to be intentional about what you do with your money. Keep in mind the following quote by Warren Buffett: do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. Number 2. Start now. Remember, whatever your goal is, start now. Something will always come up and compete for your resources. Saving for the future should stay in the forefront of your mind, regardless of whatever else comes around. Number 3. Make save automatically. If you have to manually transfer money into your accounts, you may be more likely to forgo saving altogether. Try having a portion of your paycheck automatically deposited to a savings account to keep you contributing consistently. Number 4. Avoid debt. Pay off your cards every month to keep your debt from piling up. If possible, avoid going into debt in the first place by spending within your limits and keeping your credit card at home. With the savings built up, you won't have to put unexpected expenses on a card. Number 5. Use a savings calculator. Putting money away consistently is hard enough as it is. So, utilizes an easy online tool that can calculate interest over years and help you determine how much your savings may grow in the years to come. Number 6. Invest in quality. Think about spending a bit more money on things that will last for you for longer. For example, it can be worth it to buy some higher quality clothes as long as they are not for growing kids, because you won't have to buy new ones for a long time. Number 7. Make a plan. Break your long-term goals into smaller, more manageable milestones for the month and year. With an idea of what you need to do short-term, you can plan how much you need to be saving and set the right limits on your non-essential budget. Number 8. Enjoy life. Yes, we have been preaching the virtues of discipline, belt tightening, and resistant instant gratification. But everyone is only human. Recognizing the importance of savings doesn't mean you cannot now and again spend on things for fun, relaxation, celebration, or just for the hell of it. But be sure to build the occasional splurge into your budget. Number 9. Set savings goals. One of the best ways to save money is to set a goal. Start by thinking of what you might want to save for. Perhaps you are getting married, planning a vacation, or saving for retirement. Then figure out how much money you will need and how long it may take you to save it. Number 10. Take a staycation. The term may be trendy, the thought behind it is solid. Instead of dropping several thousand on airline tickets overseas, look in your own backyard for fun vacations close to home. If you can't drive the distance, look for cheap flight in your region. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button so you can get the notification of new fascinating video. Thank you.